Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. We will have a look at the resource consumption and operational status of a Cybervision center, and explain the necessity to monitor and control the information provided. There is important operational information provided by your Cybervision center from which you can determine if things are functioning well. Let's go step by step. The uptime and the ingestion status will tell you if your center is online and operational, as well as if it is ready to process incoming data. Because time is an important information and used for almost every aspect of internal data processing, it is important to keep the current system time set up correctly. In addition to that, the information about the consumption of system resources on your center will tell you if the current workload aligns with the resources provided. Please keep in mind that scaling your setup by increasing the number of assets, or by increasing the number of sensors reporting to your center, the consumption of resources in your center will increase as well. If your center is running short on any of the resources, it will show different operational effects. It is important to know which effects there might be, how and where to spot them, and also how to check if they are trending over time. After logging into your center, you will be welcomed with a dashboard. On the upper right-hand side, you can see a small chart symbol. If you click on it, you will be taken to the System Statistics page. At the top of the page, you can see some operational information. Besides the current version of your center, you can also see its uptime. This metric tells you for how long your center operated without being restarted. You also find the system time. Please make sure that the time shown is correct, since it is important for almost every data-related aspect. The ingestion status shows if the processes which are responsible for data ingestion are online and working as expected. Right below you will find information about the consumption of the important system resources. The CPU information includes the type and vendor of the processing unit of your center. It also shows the minimum, maximum and average usage of the CPU. Besides the current usage, there is also a chart that shows you how the usage of your center's CPU developed over time. The same information is available for memory and disk. Neither CPU, RAM, nor disk should indicate a 100% usage for a longer period. If it does, the operation and performance of your center might be impacted. The network bandwidth usage shows how much inbound and outbound bandwidth was consumed by your center. It documents the usage over time, to make it easier for you to determine if a recent change caused potentially significant changes in the resource allocation. The same applies to the amount of I/O operations documented for the storage provided to your center. The drop-down menu on the top of the dashboard allows you to change the time granularity by which you observe the data. It might provide very different insights if you change from hourly to daily, or even to weekly granularity. Changing this granularity will help you to spot potential changes, or trends in the way the system resources are allocated. If you prefer to work on the command line, you can simply log into your Cybervision center via Secure Shell. Once you logged in, you can use the Linux commands top, df and systemctl to check for the current resource consumption and operational state of the services. Thank you for watching this tutorial about system resource consumption of the Cybervision center.